Good afternoon, students. You're hearing, right? We'll continue problems. Before that, these are the Laplace transform of differentials. These are very important. Just see once. Laplace transform of y dash of t is equal to s. Laplace transform of y of t minus y of 0. That is, you're hearing, right? The Laplace transform of y double dash of t is s square Laplace transform y of t minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0. Then Laplace transform of y triple dash of t is so much. So I will keep that in one side. I will continue with the problems. Second problem is y triple dash plus, this is triple dash, y triple dash plus 2y double dash minus y dash minus 2y equal to 0. Given y of 0 equal to y dash of 0 equal to 0 and y double dash of 0 equal to 6. This is the given data. First thing is apply Laplace transform on both sides. First we need to apply Laplace transform on both sides. L of y triple dash of t plus 2 L of y of t. Y and y both are same. Y of t and y both are same. Y triple dash or y triple dash of t both are same. Plus, so minus we have minus L of y dash minus 2 L of, so this is y dash of t, L of y of t is equal to Laplace transform of 0 is 0. Laplace transform of y triple dash we have here. Write that s cube L of y of t minus s square y of 0 minus s y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. This is for this first one plus this one 2 Ly of t, that is 2 into, write this lower bracket, 2 s square L of y of t minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus L of y dash of t. Y dash of t is this one. Yes, L of y of t minus y of 0. Then last one minus 2 L y of t is equal to 0. Now apply the given data. Y of 0, y dash of 0 is 0. Y of 0, this is 0. Y dash of 0, this is 0. Then y of 0 is 0. This is 0. Y dash of 0 is 0. Then y dash of 0 is 0. Write remaining terms. S cube L of y of t minus y double dash of 0 is 6. Write that. This is from first term plus 2 s square L of y of t. This is second term because this is also 0, this is also 0. Minus. So actually this is, which one I have written? Third term. I need not write this L again. Minus s Laplace transform of y of t minus 2 Laplace transform of y of t. is equal to 0. Now take out Laplace transform of y of t as common. If you take Laplace transform of y of t common, this will be s cube, from here s cube, from here plus 2s square, minus from here s minus 2. Minus 6, I will transpose that minus 6 this side, that will come plus 6. Laplace transform of y of t is equal to 6 by s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2. Now factorize this. How to factorize this? 6 by, take s square common in these two. In first two terms, take s square. What will be left? F's. In this, 2 will be left. Minus 1. Take minus 1 common. If you take minus 1 common, here also s plus 2. Again from these two, take s minus s plus 2, s plus 2 common. S plus 2 into s square minus 1. Law of y of t. 6 divided by s plus 2 into s square minus 1. Next, continuation of that. Laplace transform of y of t is equal to 6 by s plus 2. Here s square minus b square formula is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So this will be s plus 1 into s minus 1. This is L of t. Apply inverse Laplace transform. If you apply inverse Laplace transform, here y of t is equal to Laplace inverse of 6 by s plus 1, s minus 1, s plus 2. To find Laplace inverse Laplace transform of 6 by s plus 1, s minus 1, s plus 2, use partial fractions, isn't it? 6 by s plus 1, s minus 1, s plus 2 is equal to a by s plus 1 plus b by s minus 1 plus c by s plus 2. Tell me values of ABC. Calculate and tell me values for ABC. Partial fraction method we did. Apply that and tell me the answer. Take LCM. 6a into s minus 1 s plus 2 plus b into s plus 1 s plus 2 plus c into s plus 1 into s minus 1. Put s equal to 1. 6 as it is. If you put s equal to 1, this will be 0 and this will be 0. So only b will be left. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. 6b. So this implies b equal to 1. Next, put s equal to minus 1. 6. 6 equal to minus 1 means this is 0, this is 0, only a will be left. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. This implies this is minus 2a. 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3. Next, put s equal to minus 2. 6. This will be 0, this will be 0, only C will be left. 2 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 3. So 3. 3C is equal to 6. C equal to 2. C equal to 2. So you should get 1 to 1 to minus 3. ABC value may change. It may interchange. According to what you write here, values will change. But it should be 1 to minus 3. So this will be equal to, after applying partial fraction, s plus 1, s minus 1, s plus 2 will become, a value is minus 3 by s plus 1 plus b value is 1 by s plus 1 plus c value 2 by s plus 2. Okay, now apply inverse Laplace transform. If you apply Laplace inverse of 6 by s plus 1, s minus 1, s plus 2 is equal to Laplace inverse of minus 3 by s plus 1 plus Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 1 plus Laplace inverse of 2 by s plus 2. This is equal to minus 3. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t plus Laplace inverse of this is e power t plus Laplace inverse of this is 2 e power minus 2t. This is y of t. E power minus 2t plus e power t minus 3 e power minus t. This is the answer. Work out in this. If you have any doubt, you can just text me. Next problem, no doubt means I will move to next problem. D square y by dt square plus 4 dy by dt plus 4y equal to e power minus t, y of 0 equal to 0 and y dash of 0 equal to 0. This is the given problem. First write d square y by dt square as y double dash of t plus 4 y dash of t plus 4y equal to e power minus t. Y of 0 equal to 0 equal to y dash of 0. This is the given problem. Apply Laplace transform. Laplace transform on both sides. Both sides we need to apply. L of y double dash of t plus 4 L of y dash of t plus 4 L of y of t equal to L of e power minus t. Okay, here right hand side is also, we have one function. 0 is not there. You have to write that function also. Laplace transform of y double dash of t. Laplace transform of y double dash of t is this one. S square L of y of t minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is first function. This is for first term plus 4 y dash of t. Y dash of t is this. S L of y of t minus y of 0. This is for the second term plus third term as it is. 4 L of y of t is equal to, for this, what is Laplace transform of this? Tell me Laplace transform of this. Semi-Laplace transform. I have to answer questions. These questions. This is very simple question. You should answer this type of questions. Only 2 students. Only 3. Really, I can make out whether you are involving or not. So Laplace transform of this is 1 by x plus 1. Next, substitute this y of 0 as 0, y dash of 0 as 0. In this, y of 0 is 0, y dash of 0 is 0. This is also 0. So only these terms left. S square L of y of t plus 4s L of y of t plus 4 L of y of t is equal to 1 by s plus 1. Next, take L of y of t common. S square will be left in first term, 4s will be left in second, 4 will be left in third. So 1 by s plus 1. Okay. Next, keep only L of y of t one side, left, that is left hand side. L of y of t is equal to 1 by s plus 1 s square plus 4s plus 4. 1 by s plus 1, if you factorize this, this will become s plus 2 whole square. Okay, this is L of y of t. Apply inverse Laplace transform. Y of t is equal to Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1 s plus 2 whole square. To find Laplace inverse of this, apply again partial fractions because we need to separate this denominator. Okay, we can also find out by convolution. Using convolution theorem also you can find out. So if you apply for partial fraction, 1 by s plus 1 s plus 2 whole square equal to a by s plus 1 plus b by s plus 2 plus c by s plus 2 whole square. Okay. Find out ABC. So if you find out ABC, you will get a as 1, b as minus 1, c as minus 1. Find out that ABC by using partial fractions. I will do directly. Then y of t equal to Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1. This one, we separated the denominator, so I will just substitute a, b, c values. Minus Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 plus Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 2 whole square. So Laplace inverse of this is e power minus t minus Laplace inverse of this is e power minus 2t plus c is minus 1, right? So this will be minus replace s plus 2 by s by multiplying exponential. Okay, then 1 by s square. Laplace inverse of this is t. So t e power minus 2t. This is the answer. T e power minus 2t. Any doubt in this? Next problem can only try. Write this problem. You try this. X double dash minus 2x dash plus x equal to e power 2t. is similar to previous one. There we had y double dash. Here you will have, here you have x double dash. That's all. Other than that, everything is same. Try this. I'll write the answer. Same partial fractions method only we need to use. So answer x of t equal to e power 2t minus 1 plus 2t e power t. So 1 plus 2t e power t. This is the answer. Write this answer. Then try this. Next problem. Y double dash minus y equal to 0. Y of 0 equal to 3. Y dash of 0 equal to 3. It's also not that much difficult. You can try this also. First write Laplace transform of y double dash, that is s square L of y of t minus s y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus L of y of t equal to 0. So take L of y of t common. So s square minus 1, and for this y of 0 is 3. 3s minus 3 equal to 0. L of y of t equal to 3s plus 3 divided by s square minus 1. So take 3 common, s plus 1. Here also s plus 1, s minus 1. A square minus b square formula. 3 by s minus 1. Very easy. Okay. Now apply inverse Laplace transform. Y of t equal to 3 e power t. So very simple one. So to do this type of problem, you should know Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform as well. Okay. Otherwise, you can't solve this. To solve this type of problems, you should know Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform as well. So I'll go to next one. D square y by dt square plus 2 dy by dt minus 3y equal to sin t. Y of 0 equal to y dash of 0 equal to 0. This is the given problem. First thing is write what is y double dash of t. Y double dash of t is s square L y of t minus, this will be 0 because y of 0 is 0, y dash of 0 is also 0. So I won't write these two terms, plus 2 y dash of t. Y dash of t is 2s L of y of t. Again, this term is 0. I won't write that also. Minus 3 L of y of t. 3 L of y of t equal to Laplace transform of sin t. Take L of y of t common in these three terms. S square plus 2s minus 3 is equal to L of s square plus 1. Correct? I need L of y of t 1 by s square plus 2s minus 3 into s square plus 1. Okay, factorize this. If you factorize this, what you will get? 3 ones are. So you will get 3s minus 1 s plus 3 into s square plus 1. Those who didn't understood this, I will write here s square plus 2s minus 3. If I multiply, I should get minus 3. So plus 3 minus 1. So s square plus 3s minus 1s minus 3. Because if you add these two, you will get plus 2s. Take s common in this. Take minus 1 common in this. So s plus s minus 1, s plus 3. Like that, we will write. Next, inverse Laplace transform y of t equal to Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 1 s plus 3 s square plus 1. Again, to the separate denominator, apply inverse Laplace transform. Apply partial fraction. So to separate denominator, apply partial fraction a by s minus 1 plus b by s plus 3 plus cx plus d by s square plus 1. Here, yes, cs plus d. Put s equal to minus 3. So take the LCM, put s equal to minus 3. You will get b value as minus 1 by 40. Put s equal to 1. You will get a value as 1 by 8. Then equate the coefficients of s cube. You will get a plus b plus c equal to 0. C equal to minus a minus b you will get. That means you will get minus 1 by 10. This time giving the idea, you should solve this because this is partial fraction now. Just try to solve. If you have any doubt, you can ask me later. Compare the coefficients of s square or constants. You will get d equal to minus 3 by 5. Okay. After getting this, so we will write what is Laplace transform for inverse Laplace transform 1 by 8 Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 1 b value minus 1 by 40 Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 3 plus Laplace inverse of third term minus 1 by 10s minus 3 by 5 divided by s square plus 1. This is third term. First two terms easy. 1 by 8 e power t minus 1 by 40 e power minus 3t minus. For this, write this by this minus this by this. Okay, you can write like that. Correct? Minus 1 by 10s divided by s square plus 1 minus 3 by 5 divided by s square plus 1. Write like that. Laplace inverse of 1 by 10 Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 1 plus 3 by 5 Laplace inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. This is minus. This is also minus. So 1 by 8 e power t minus 1 by 40 e power minus 3t minus 1 by 10. What is Laplace inverse of this? Cos t plus, minus 3 by 5 Laplace inverse of this is sin t. This is the answer. Next problem, the last problem in this module. 8th one, d square y by dt square minus 6 dy by dt plus 9y equal to 12 t square e power 3t. Okay. Given y of 0 equal to 0 equal to y dash of 0. Try this. You can try this. First, you need to find only different is Laplace transform of 12 t square e power 3t. This one we did when the exponential function is multiplied. Write Laplace transform of this. Replace s by s plus a like that. Okay. If you write that 12, what is Laplace transform of t square? 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1. Replace s by s minus 3. So 12, 24 s minus 3 whole cube. Okay, this is right hand side, and in left hand side you will get like this much. Laplace transform of y of t equal to this much you will get. Okay, next, after this, take this that side. Laplace transform of y of t equal to 24 divided by s minus 3 whole cube, and you can write this as x minus 3 whole square. This one we can write s minus 3 whole square. S minus 3 whole square is s square minus 6s plus 9. So 3 square. So this is 24 divided by s minus 3 whole power 5. Find Laplace transform of this. To find Laplace transform, Laplace inverse,
ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸ
okay, multiply exponential to the power of 3t e power 3t replace s minus 3 by Yes. Replace s minus 3 by s. So this will become s power 5, then 24 outside, 24 e power 3. Laplace inverse of this is Laplace inverse of 27, mute yourself. Okay, 24 e power 3t. Laplace inverse of 1 by s power 5 is t power 4 by 4 factorial. So this is Laplace inverse. So we completed Laplace transform syllabus. That is module 1. If you have any doubts, you can ask. So next class, we will start with Fourier series. Fourier series. It is module 2. If you have any doubts, you can ask. No doubts. Okay. Then we will take attendance.
Minus 1 power 5 is minus 1 divided by 4 square. And so, now shift this 4 to left hand side. 4 3 is 12. 5 square by 12 equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square and so on. This is the given direction. Okay. In the direction of the Each Fourier series. More problems. Tomorrow we'll tomorrow 3 problems. Okay, yesterday.
Answer previous class happened. Chaitra ma'am's class overlapped.
With my class. So that's why I ended the meeting and I restarted again. Just message me in chat box so that it will be you can take attendance quickly. One
1 second.
yes, one 1
1 second.
7 10 one not responding. 2
Sir, 1 present.
two
Present, sir.
3 3 present. 4
Sir, 2 present.
okay. I was not hearing.
Sir, 1 present.
Okay. 1 present, 2 present, 3 present, 4 5 present,
Present,
6 5 present, right? What about
Yes, sir.
4
Present.
6 present. Okay,
4
4 also
present.
present. Okay. 6 present. 7
Present, sir.
8 present. 9 present. 10
10 present, sir.
11
Present, sir.
11 present. 12 present. 13
13 present, sir.
14 present, 15 present, 16
16 present, sir.
17
17 present, sir.
18
18 present, sir.
19 present, 20 20 21 present, 22
22 present, sir.
present, 23 present, 24
24 present, sir.
24 present, 25
Present, sir.
present,